Staring at a pile of clothes, wondering how it'll all fit in one bag? What if I told you 7 simple hacks could cram your entire week's worth into a carry-on, saving you baggage fees and backaches? Stick around. Your packing game is about to level up big time. Hey, wanderlusters! If you're anything like me, packing is that pre-trip dread where your suitcase laughs at your minimalist dreams. But fear not. Today, we're unlocking 7 genius packing hacks that squeeze your life into a carry-on, no checked bags required. These are battle-tested for beach getaways, city hops, or that spontaneous cruise escape. We'll count them down from 7 to 1, with what the hack is, why it works like a charm, and how to nail it. Grab your empty bag. It's transformation time. Number 7. The Roll Not Fold Revolution. First up, ditching the flat fold for the almighty roll. What it is: take your tees, pants, and dresses. Roll them tight like sushi, starting from the bottom up, smoothing out air pockets as you go. Why it fits your life in a carry-on. Folds create creases and wasted space. Rolls compress fabrics by up to 50%, turning floppy clothes into space-saving cylinders that stack like Tetris blocks. No more bulging zippers or ironing on board. Pro move. Roll socks inside shoes for double duty. Bam! Clutter-free footwear that doubles as organizers. Number 6. Compression cubes on steroids. Enter the packing cube glow-up. What it is: those zippered fabric squares, but hack 'em by filling with outfits per day, tops in one, bottoms in another, then zip to squish out air like a vacuum seal. Why it's genius for carry-ons. They divide chaos into grab-and-go sections, preventing the "where's my charger" avalanche, and compress volume by 30 to 40%, so your bag stays under that 22 by 14 by 9-inch limit. Airlines love them too. No suspicious bulges. Insider tip: label cubes by day or weather. It's like having a portable closet that whispers, "Outfit 3, you're up." Number 5. Layer like an onion, but smarter. This one's for the multi-climate crowd. What it is: pack versatile base layers, think merino wool tanks, mid-layers, light cardis, and outer shells, packable rain jackets, that mix and match endlessly. Why it shrinks your load. One set outfits 7 days, rotate them without repeats, saving space for souvenirs instead of duplicates. Wool wicks sweat and odors, so no laundry mid-trip. Travel hack alert: stuff smaller items like underwear into the jacket's pockets before rolling. It's hidden storage gold. Number 4. Toiletries in a Ziploc timeline. Say goodbye to leaky 311 bag nightmares. What it is: pre-portion your liquids into travel-sized bottles, under 3.4 ounces, seal them in a quart-size Ziploc, and freeze overnight for leak-proof travel. Why it fits everything. Freezing solidifies gels and shampoos, preventing mid-flight explosions that turn your bag into a sudsy mess, and it thaws just in time for use. Zero waste, all convenience. Bonus: use the bag for dirty laundry on return. Quick win. Color code bottles with nail polish dots for easy ID in low light. Number 3. The shoe hack that steals the show. Shoes are space hogs, until now. What it is: wear your bulkiest pair, boots or sneakers, on the plane, and for the rest, stuff them with socks, belts, or chargers before bagging in a shower cap to contain dust. Why it's a carry-on savior. This frees up 20% more room, no empty shoe voids, and shower caps keep grit off your clothes while letting shoes breathe without smudging. Feet happy, bag lighter. Elevate it. Line shoes with thin plastic for waterproofing if you're puddle-jumping ports. Number 2. Tech tango with a charging passport gadgets galore? Tame 'em quick. What it is: bundle all cords, earbuds, and adapters into a sunglasses case or glasses pouch using Velcro ties to coil neatly. Add a slim power bank as your passport for global plugs. Why it works wonders. No tangled spaghetti in your main compartment. This micro-organizer fits in one pocket, saving cubic inches for fun stuff like that duty-free rum, Universal compatibility means no fried devices abroad. Pro tip: download offline maps and apps pre-pack. Your phone becomes a lightweight guidebook. Number 1. The Bundle Wrap Masterclass. Topping the list, the ultimate space wizardry. What it is: lay out a full outfit flat, layer accessories around it, scarf as a wrap, jewelry in corners, then roll the whole bundle into a tight cylinder. Repeat for each day. Why it's the carry-on king. It prevents wrinkles by keeping layers snug, maximizes every inch, outfits become self-contained pods, and lets you visualize your wardrobe at a glance. No, did I pack enough? Panic. It's like origami for travelers. Game changer. Use a flat sheet as the base for fragile items. It unfolds into an impromptu picnic blanket shoreside. There you go. 7 hacks that turn packing from punishment to power move. Your carry-on's now a featherweight fortress, ready for whatever horizon calls. Whew, imagine wheeling through the airport like a pro, 0 fees, all freedom. Who's trying the roll hack first? Spill your packing wins or woes in the comments. I love swapping stories. If these tips just lightened your load, hit like, subscribe for more travel sorcery, and ring that bell for weekly wonders.